Hello and welcome back to another video. Today, I will be showing you how to develop a theoretical framework and hypotheses. Theoretical framework. What is a theoretical framework? It is the researcher's beliefs on how certain variables or concepts are related to each other as a model and an explanation on why you believe that these variables are associated with each other. A theory. Three-step process of building a theoretical framework. Defining the concepts and variables of your model. Developing a conceptual model that describes the relationships between variables. Clear explanation with a theory as to why we expect these relationships to exist. Do you need to invent a new theory? You do not necessarily need to invent a new theory every time you conduct research. In applied research, you apply existing theories to a specific context to bring arguments from previous research. However, in basic research, you will make some contributions to existing theories and models by adding your own insights and ideas. Hypothesis development. What is a hypothesis? They are logically conjectured relationships between two or more variables in the theoretical framework expressed in the form of testable statements. They predict what you expect to find in your empirical data. Different formats of writing hypotheses. As an if-then statement. Example, employees who are more satisfied with their jobs will take leaves less frequently. If employees are more satisfied with their jobs, then they will take leaves less frequently. Different formats. Directional hypotheses. If the direction of the relationship is indicated such as more than, less than, negative, and positive, such a hypothesis is called a directional hypothesis. Example, female employees are more satisfied with their jobs than male employees. The greater the job stress, the lower the job performance. Non-directional hypotheses. A hypothesis is non-directional when there is no indication of the direction of the relationship or difference. Example, there is a relationship between age and job satisfaction. Null and alternate hypotheses. The hypothetico-deductive method requires that hypotheses are falsible. They must be written in such a way that other researchers can show them to be false. For this reason, hypotheses are sometimes accompanied by null hypotheses. A null hypothesis, H0, is a hypothesis set up to be rejected in order to support an alternate hypothesis, labeled HA. Example, alternate hypothesis. There is a relationship between job satisfaction and employee performance. Null hypothesis. There is no relationship between job satisfaction and employee performance. Example for developing a theoretical framework and hypothesis, based on the research article by Bonnet and Bradley. Review of literature. The conceptual framework should be built upon a theory. Variables of the study. Independent variables. Proactive personality. Organizational support for career development. Mediating variable. Career management behaviors. Dependent variable. Career satisfaction. Key elements of the conceptual framework. Definitions of concepts and variables. Development of hypotheses. The hypotheses should be based on the theory you employ to develop the conceptual framework and the prior research findings available to predict the hypothetical relationships. The other hypotheses have also followed the same pattern. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe for more videos to come.